These electrical appliances have something in common with all of us. And when I said all of us, I didn't mean only the human beings. I meant each and every living entity sharing this planet. Now, just as these electrical appliances come in different shapes, sizes and colors, and they're all manufactured at different places, so do we come in different shapes, sizes, colors and gender. But in spite of all these differences, all the electrical appliances run on one single energy, electricity. They all express the same energy in so many different ways. Similarly, deep down, all of us are one single energy, the spiritual energy. And all of us express this spiritual energy in so many different and wonderful ways. This spiritual energy, just like electricity, has no race, caste, color or nationality. It is neither Hindu, Christian or Muslim. Yet all the sacred scriptures like Quran, Bible or Bhagavad Gita talk about this spiritual energy as spirit soul. The Gita mentions just as the symptoms of fire are heat, light and smoke. Similarly, consciousness is the symptom of the presence of soul. Now in case if you don't believe in the spiritual energy and stuff, hear this out. You must have seen people dying, and after that death, people cry saying that, oh my God, he's dead, he's gone. But who is gone? The body, his shape, size, color, gender are all still there, but still you say he's gone? That is because deep down you know that we are all a lot more than this body. We are all the same spiritual energy expressing itself in so many wonderful ways. We are not human beings having spiritual experiences. We are all spiritual beings having human experiences. We are all one.